Everyone, welcome to CR7M channel. I hope you guys are doing well and healthy. Today's topic of Cristiano Ronaldo and Georgina Rodriguez is the football most famous and fashion couple. Cristiano Ronaldo and Georgina Rodriguez have announced their baby boy twin. After the twin baby, Georgina Rodriguez have attended Cannes Film Festival and many more events this year 2021. Now the beautiful couple share a beautiful stories on Instagram and Facebook. CR7M channel is the most active and informative channel in this topic. Georgina Rodriguez is 28-year-old Spanish model and the mother of Cristiano Ronaldo